Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Sull-E Forth's First Adventure. This episode will cover day 4, starting off in Des Moines, Iowa, visiting the Pappajohn Sculpture Park in downtown Des Moines, then driving to Whitetail Campground in the Nebraska National Forest by way of the Dismal off-highway vehicle off-road trails.
We are leaving Campsite 21 at Walnut Woods State Park in Des Moines, and it was much better execution. Sorry, I'm trying to turn my music. Much better execution of the staying in the car than prior. I feel like this was this way, all one way. So I'm very happy about that, and got things dialed in and slept from 11:45 till 6:45 this morning straight, no issues. I figured out that I could program this smart space heater to just turn on every hour for a little bit, which has been amazing. After the long gap in the space heater running, it only dropped to 39 degrees in the car, but it is 27 degrees according to the car where I'm at, and 26 on Google. And we're heading out, trying to get out earlier in the morning so that we can see stuff in the day. I can see stuff. Me and Sull-E here, and so we're up. We're on the move at 8 o'clock. I might skip when it's so freezing like this, making breakfast in the morning and just getting out if I'm close to a town. Just because I have food for when I go out into Utah. But right now, I'm going to go to an O'Reilly Auto Parts and try to return the extra rotor that didn't get used from doing brakes the other day. So that is this morning's journal entry. I hope you guys are all enjoying the video. I'm definitely having an adventure so far. Walnut Woods State Park. Goodbye. Oh, I went the wrong way. All right, this is the John and Mary Pappajohn Sculpture Park, and there are a lot of different sculptures in this park. I just walked in. I'm going to go around, check out some of these sculptures. Looks like a gorgeous gourd over here. That last one looked like a puzzle from Tears of the Kingdom. We'll walk around and get closer to some of these. This is like War of the Worlds. Right there. There's literally a sign at the bottom of this that essentially says, please don't touch the boobies. I'd like to think of that as a female woodworker. Alright, it's so freaking cold. These look like they're Charles Schultz things, but I don't think they are. Here's a tree. We're gonna go get pictures of that thing right there, and then I'm out of here because it's so cold. Sull-E's brother. In Blair, Nebraska. Gotta say it like that. Gotta have Blair, Nebraska.
Drive by and they look at them and they keep right on driving because they don't think they work. I've actually got people come in and ask for them just for.
Nebraska National Forest. I have made it to Whitetail Campground, which was freaking awesome. Like a nice crescendo of this trip, because the Forester just did some amazing shit, and I'm pretty impressed. And I'm checking out campsites now and seeing if anybody's here. So just checking everything out. I haven't seen anybody else yet. There are a lot of campsites here, and looks like sometimes there's normally horses here. Somebody left their axe. Well, that is a real bummer. Should I go grab that axe? Man. If I left an axe here and then I left and drove 200 miles away, I'd be pretty mad. 1 second. Well, I left the axe there. There's also a bunch of garbage at this site 3. Like a water bladder, an old propane can, a bunch of old 2x4s. It's kind of sad. I read that this is a place where people hunt in November, so I wonder if it's like leftover hunter bullshit, and just it's kind of sad that people left the garbage there. I might look into hauling it out and taking it to the ranger station tomorrow when I'm on my way out. It looks like there's some old tags on some of these too. I don't know how many campsites are here. I'm gonna go explore, and then I might come back here in a second. But I'm really glad I aired down before I came down here, because this is all sand. Pretty cool though. I'm gonna keep looking around. Oh, there's horse stalls, so people can bring their horses here too to camp. That is awesome. There are no horses here right now. Hopefully that's the last big information I have to talk about. So I got in really late to this campground, and I was more focused on keeping myself safe. There was a lot of animal sounds going on around me. It was really spooky, but a really serene, wonderful night with lots of beautiful skies and so many stars to see. And I was looking forward to waking up in the morning and finding out what was going on around me. Alrighty, that's the end of this episode. Hope to catch you on the next one.